Okay, my dear students, good morning, all of you. Today we discuss about second year zoology, unit 1B. Unit 1B, this video, 8th, this video, 8th video, zoology, second year. Second year, unit 1B. 1B. This video, C8. C8. Exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. Topic. Breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. Okay. Now we discuss about zoology second year, unit 1B, C8. Topic is breathing and exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. Okay. Breathing and exchange of gases. What is the breathing and exchange of gases? So, mechanism of breathing. Mechanism of breathing. Mechanism of breathing. Breathing is a maximizing. Breathing is a maximizing the process of gases. Breathing is a maximizing the process of gases exchange. Breathing is a maximizing the process of gases exchange. The movement of air into and the out lungs. The movement of air into and out the lungs. Into and out the lungs is carried out by creating a pressure. Creating a pressure gradient between the lungs and the atmosphere. The lungs and the atmosphere. This is the second one. Next, third one. Breathing involves two stages. Breathing involves two stages. The one is inspiration. The one is inspiration and the second one is expiration. And the second one is expiration. Now we see what is the inspiration and what is the expiration. What is the inspiration and what is the expiration. So once again, the first one, mechanism of breathing. First one, breathing is a maximizing the process of gases exchange. This is the first one. Second one, the The movement of air into and out the lungs, into and out the lungs is carried out by creating a process gradient between the lungs and the atmosphere. The lungs and the atmosphere. This is the second one. The third one, breathing involves two stages such as inspiration and expiration. Inspiration and expiration. Okay. Now we see first of all inspiration. Inspiration. This is the diagrammatic view. Inspiration. Inspiration. Diagrammatic view is this entering air lungs, air entering lungs. This is the air entering lungs, and volume of thorax increased. This is the thoracic region. This is the thoracic region. First of all, we see mechanism of exchange of gases. Now we see inspiration. 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 This is the diagrammatic view. This is the inspiration diagrammatic view. First one, we see air entering the lungs. Atmospheric air entering the lungs. And next one, volume of the thorax increased. This is the thorax region. This is the thorax region. Thorax region volume increased. And next one, ribs and sternum. This is the lateral ribs. Human beings have 12 pairs of lateral ribs. And lateral ribs attached to this area is called as thorax. Is called as thorax. Lateral ribs attached to this area is called thorax. So ribs and sternum rise. So this area ribs and thorax is raised. Next, this is also called rib cage. Rib cage. And at the same time, diaphragm contracted. And the same time, diaphragm contracted. Diaphragm separate this thoracic region and abdomen region. Diaphragm is a single layer. Diaphragm is separated by thorax region and abdomen region. Okay. So this is the diagrammatic view. So next one. Inspiration. Inspiration. Intake of atmospheric air into the lungs is called inspiration. What is the inspiration? Intake of atmospheric air into the lungs is called inspiration. Intake of atmospheric air into the lungs is called inspiration. Is called inspiration. And next one, it is an active process. It is an active process. It is an active process. And next one, as it takes place, the contraction. As it takes place by the contraction. or muscle contraction. Contraction or muscle contraction. Contraction of the muscles. Contraction of the muscles of the diaphragm and the external and internal costal muscles. Next one, and the external and internal costal muscles. Okay. Next one, which extend in between the ribs. The contraction of diaphragm increases the volume of the thoracic chamber in the atmospheric axis. So this is the inspiration. This is the inspiration. First one, intake of atmospheric air into the lungs is called inspiration. Next one, inspiration, it is an active process. It is an active process. Next one, as it takes place by the contraction, as it takes place by the contraction of the muscles of the diaphragm and the external internal costal muscles, external and internal costal muscles. Next one, which extend in between the ribs. The contraction of the diaphragm increases the volume. Next, of the thoracic chamber in the atmospheric axis. This is the process of inspiration. First of all, ribs. Ribs and sternum rise. Next, diaphragm contraction. So this area, this is the thoracic region. This volume is increased. And next one, air entering the lungs. So this process is called inspiration. Atmospheric air enter the through lungs is inspiration. So this process is called as inspiration. So next one, expiration. Okay. Now we see expiration. This is the expiration diagrammatic. Expiration. First of all, air expelled from lungs. Next, volume. Thorax decreased. This is the thoracic region. Thoracic volume is decreased. Okay. Next, ribs and sternum. Ribs and sternum returned original position. So this is ribs. This is the sternum. ribs and sternum return their original position. Their original position. Next, this is the diaphragm. This is the diaphragm. Diaphragm is relaxed. We see only diagrammatic view. Anterior region. Air expelled from lungs. So this lateral side volume thorax decreased. Thorax volume is decreased. Next, this lateral side ribs and sternum returned their original position. Returned their original position. So this is the only diagrammatic view. So next one, expiration. Expiration means release of alveolar air. Release of alveolar air. The exterior is called expiration. Release of alveolar air. Release of alveolar air. The exterior is called expiration. Okay. Next one. It is a passive process. It is a passive process. Okay. Next one. Relaxation of the diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. Relaxation by diaphragm and external intercostal muscles. So next one returns the diaphragm and sternum. Returns the diaphragm the and the sternum to the normal position. To the normal position. Diaphragm and sternum of the normal position and reduces the thoracic volume and reduces the thoracic volume. So this is the expiration. So this is the expiration. Reduces the thoracic volume and air expelled from lungs. First one, release of alveolar air. The exterior is called expiration. Second one, this is it is a process of passive process. It is a process of passive process. Relaxation of the diaphragm and contractile muscles, external contractile muscles and internal costal muscles and sternum and relaxation of diaphragm. Relaxation of diaphragm. So, internal thorax volume is decreased. Internal thorax is decreased. So, air expelled from lungs. This is the expiration. It is very important IPE examination in 4 marks. This is the very important in this lesson. This is the unit 1B. Unit 1B. Exchange of gases. Breathing and exchange of gases. So this is very important topic in IPE public examination. Okay.